Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Kana Imai. Code JUQ744. Released on June 11, 2024. And it has 150 minutes watch time. The story is about married woman and her neighborhood guys. The couple was invited to a vacation trip. Apparently, her husband cannot join them because he's too busy at his work. So, when they arrive at the place, they prepared their foods to eat. So later that night, they had a couple of drinks. The girl got drunk, so the girl went inside the tent and the old guy followed her. However, while they are inside the tent, things went out of control. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.